Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the IceRiver KS0 Ultra mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 2.29 kilograms and gross weight about 3.45 kilograms. IceRiver KS0 Ultra supports the kHeavyHash algorithm, allowing you to mine KAS cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 400 GH/s. Its power consumption is only 100 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 411 GH/s, the power consumption is around 103 watt, and the noise level is approximately 35.8 decibels. Both the power consumption and the quiet operation are excellent. The miner is cooled by an external heatsink that covers the entire body, and the temperature of the exterior can reach over 60 degrees Celsius after continuous operation, making it impossible to hold it with bare hands. The cooling efficiency can be improved by adding a cooling fan to the reserved cooling fan position. It is also possible to add a customized exclusive housing and 2 fans for cooling. How to set up the mining machine to make it work properly: open the official website of Glacier, click on the batch management tool, click on the download, open the software, detect the IP to find the mining machine we are now connected to. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income, and so on. Profit analysis: based on a KAS price of $0.1719 and a mining difficulty of 385p on July 10, 2024, the daily earnings of IceRiver KS0 Ultra Miner are approximately $1.48, excluding electricity costs. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the IceRiver KS0 Ultra 400G miner is a clean-looking design, low power consumption, low noise miner. 400 GH/s arithmetic power is only 100 W. The miner supports KAS mining, which can be adapted to home, company, and other environments mining. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.